Hello and welcome back, guys. It's no secret that I'm a huge fan of Mexican foods. Here are the reasons. They are mostly made with really fresh ingredients. They are bold, full of flavors, and they are really vibrant in color. This carne asada is no exceptional. If you want to see how I make carne asada at home, please stick around and watch this video to the end. So I have my orange here, so I'm just gonna start by juicing this. And to make this really easy and fast, I'm gonna be using my food processor to juice this. And I will also do same for the lime. And now you have your orange and lime juice ready. So you can bring the juice into a large mixing bowl. Add in your vegetable oil, or if you're using olive oil, you can add that as well. And for that essence of deliciousness, I would love to add soy sauce to this. Minced garlic, chili powder, cumin, onion powder, and salt. And just before we stir this, I would love to add half cup of chopped cilantro. Now whisk this to combine nicely. And you now have your simple marinade ready in no time. Bring your skirt steak into a Ziploc bag. You can also use a bowl with a fitted lid. Seal up the bag completely until it fully coats your steak. Now refrigerate this for about 3 to 4 hours. You can even do this overnight if you have enough time. And when ready to make this, preheat your grill to medium to high.
Later.
And when you're ready to cook this, preheat your grill to medium-high heat. That's about 400 to 450 degrees. Take out the steak from the fridge, shake off excess marinade from it, and transfer to a dish. Season it with extra salt and pepper on both sides. All the ingredients that I'm using for this carne asada will be written down in the description box below, so you can check it out. I'm going to be using a bare cast iron skillet. Place your bare cast iron skillet on the stove top. Add 1 teaspoon of oil and preheat that until it's almost smoking. Add the marinated steak to it and grill on one side for about 5 to 8 minutes. And once it's ready, flip over to the opposite side and grill for another 5 to 8 minutes. Once you're sure it's ready, you can transfer this to a chopping board and rest it for 5 minutes. Just look at this. After resting it, it looks really juicy, so you're gonna go ahead and slice these thinly against the grain. And just before serving these, you can garnish with some freshly chopped cilantro. This is so flavorful and tastes really yummy. You can have these with just anything, such as pico de gallo, some sliced avocado, guacamole, radish, or a simple Mexican rice. Whatever you have in mind, you can enjoy your carne asada with. Feel free to let me know what you think about this recipe down below. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. You can as well share this video with your friends. And please, if you have not subscribed to Onyx Food Hill, please do so just before you leave this platform. Until next time, guys, I love to see you again. Bye.